Welcome to Tami's Maths. Today it's NCERT, our integration, exercise 7.2. It's from problem 1 to 10. Let's see that we make these problems thorough. I think I did mention that integration is a very important part of our studies. Very important. Calculus itself is a very important part of our studies. Now, these are simple ones. So let's start with problem 1. Integrate 2x by 1 plus x squared. Problem 1. Integrate 2x by 1 plus x squared dx. There is a numerator, there is a denominator. There are many ways in which we think. Now when there is a numerator and denominator, the very first thing we do is, please check whether numerator is the derivative of the denominator. These constants could be inserted. The variables, we are bothered only about the variables. Whether the numerator happens to be the derivative of the denominator. Now, 1 plus x squared, its derivative will be 2x. Put 1 plus x squared as t or y or k or whatever you like. Differentiate both sides. 2x dx is equal to dt. 2x dx is dt. Now, what is given in terms of the variable x? You convert in terms of your new variable t. So this is 2x dx is dt by 1 plus x squared is t. What is integral dt by t log t plus c? But what is t? 1 plus I'm sorry. For your better understanding, differentiate this. Log is 1 by 1 plus x squared followed by derivative of 1 plus x squared, chain rule, that will be 2x. Got it? This is the very first problem. Simple, easy. Simply you can write the answer. That thorough you will be when you practice. This is problem 1. Problem 2 we'll see. Problem 2. Integrate there I told you, check whether numerator happens to be the derivative of the denominator. Here it's a multiple. Log x whole square into 1 by x dx. In a multiple, please check whether any one function is the derivative of the other. For example, it is log x whole square. But what is derivative of log x? 1 by x dx. We have to be very alert. We can't register like that I did, so I will do like that. Your thinking should be independent, and please practice various questions so that you will be thorough. Put log x is t. When you make a mistake, you can always correct. I mean to say when you're practicing. Put log x is equal to t. 1 by x dx is dt. dx by x is dt. And what is log x? T. So this is t cube by 3 plus c. T cube by 3 plus c. But what is t? What is t? Log x. If you want to differentiate 3 log x whole square followed by derivative of log x 1 by x. Chain rule. 3 and 3 will get cancelled. Got it? This is only for practice in the beginning stage. Of course, as we grow, we can't be doing this, trying to differentiate and check it. In the beginning, we like it. Now, we go for the next question. Next question. Integrate dx by x plus x log x. Integrate. Take out x outside. What is derivative of 1 plus log x? Derivative of 1 will be 0 and derivative of log x will be 1 by x. So put 1 plus log x as t or k or m or whatever you like. Differentiate both sides. Derivative of 1 will be 0. Derivative of log x will be 1 by x dx and that will be dt. So this is integral. X and here dx, dx by x, that is dt. And 1 plus log x is t. So it's 1 by t. What is 1 by t? Log t. So this is log t plus c. But what is t? Where is it? 1 plus log x. Differentiate log 1 by 1 plus log x followed by derivative of 1 plus log x. What is it? 1 by x dx. Okay. Now our next one. Isn't it very interesting? Very easy, very simple. And I'm sure you're gaining confidence that you can do all the questions extremely well. Now next is sin x into sin cos x dx. Answers, I'm not talking about these questions. I'm generally talking. Sometimes answers will change when a substitution is different. It will work. It will beautifully work. You will get a different answer, but it's correct only. If you want, you can go further trying to prove that that answer and this answer are same. Integrate. Sin x, sin cos x dx. Sin x, sin cos x dx. It is sin cos x. Okay? But cos x as t. Where are you putting that? What is derivative of cos x? Minus sin x dx. The derivative of cos x minus sin x dx. So look here, sin x dx is minus dt. And this is sine. What is cos x? T. What is integral sine? Integral sine will be minus cos. So with this minus it will become plus. But what is t? Cos x. Now if you want to differentiate, cos. Derivative of cos will be minus sine cos x followed by what? Derivative of cos x, which will be another minus sin x. I hope you understand well. Now next question. I think as we work one by one, it speaks to you. It speaks to your volumes. Sometimes even silence will speak. Calm, with a lot of concentration. Sitting alone. You should be alone when you study. There will not be any disturbance. There should not be any disturbance. You try to work it. You can build up yourself in such a wonderful way that you will learn a lot and you will definitely do your exams well. Now this is over. Let's go in for this. Sin ax plus b into cos ax plus b. There you can substitute anything you like. Both will work. Now I will do one thing. I will put sine. You can put sine or cos also, whatever you want. Put cos ax plus b as t. If you want, you can do this. It will work. Or you can put sine ax plus b as t. Anything will work. Sine. Differentiate both sides. Cos ax plus b into a dx is dt. So cos ax plus b into dx. Cos ax plus b into dx is 1 by a dt. And this is sine. Sine. What is sine? That is t. So it is 1 by a. T squared by 2 plus c. That is 1 by a into 1 by 2. What is t? Sin ax plus b. Whole square. If you differentiate this, you will get this. Come on, try it. X power n, 2 into x power n minus 1, that is 2 minus 1, that will be sin ax plus b. Followed by derivative of sin ax plus b, which will be cos ax plus b into a. So the 2 and 2 will get cancelled, a and u will get cancelled, you will get this. For a few days, we have to spend time. We should not have a feeling, time is not enough for me, I can't plan my time. Planning your time is the very important part of student life, because that is the basic which is going to give you a great success. And nothing is difficult on this earth, provided your involvement in that is so much. Now, your involvement, all involvement. Now we go for. So this is over. I put this as t. You can even put this as t. That also you can do. Now, integrate root of ax plus b. Integrate root of ax plus b dx. So this is integral ax plus b whole power half dx. Ax plus b whole power half dx. Now put ax plus b as t. A dx is dt. So what is dt? 1 by a. What is dt? A dx, I'm sorry. So what is dx? 1 by a dt. For dx, 1 by a dt. And what is this? Ax plus b is t, no? So this is t power half. So 1 by a, x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. T to the power of 3 by 2 by 3 by 2, which will be 2 by 3 plus c. But what is t? What is t? Ax plus b. So this is 2 by 3 into 1 by a into ax plus b whole to the power of 3 by 2 plus c. Differentiate this and see, you will get this very nice. These are all beginning stage practice. So I say differentiate. How can we be doing that for all the questions? We can't be doing it. It's only from the beginning stage we do that. So our problem is over, this problem is over. Now 3 problems are left. So you differentiate and see the beginning stage, you will actually feel excited because you will get the answer. So this is over. Now we'll go for this. Integrate. X into root of x plus 2. Integrate. Root of x into root of x plus 2 dx. What will we do? Put x plus 2 as t square. If your question is, can I put it as t, will it work? Yes, it will work. Dx is equal to 2t dt. Dx is 2t dt integral. Dx 2t dt, 2t dt. What is x? What is x? T square minus 2. This is 2t dt is dx, but here you have a t, no? This is root of t square, which will be another t. So it will become t square. This is 2 integral t power 2, t power 2, t power 5 dt minus 2 into 2, 4 t square. Now you integrate it. T power 6 by 6 minus 4 by 3 t power 3 by 3. But what is t? But what is t? X plus 2. What is t? T will be x plus 2 whole power half. So this is 2. X plus 2 takes t, no? So take your root, that will become half, whole power half. So it will be x plus 2 whole power half. So it will be 6 by 3 by 6 minus 4 by 3. X plus 2 whole power half. So 3 by 2 plus c. So this will become 2. Okay. If you differentiate this, you will be getting that answer. Okay. Now, this is over. So another 5 minutes, we'll finish it up. Now the question is, integrate x into root of 1 plus 2x square dx. Integrate x into root of 1 plus 2x square dx. Come on. What will we do? What substitution you think we will get? Put 1 plus 2x square is t square. If you ask me, can I put t? Yes, put, it will work. So this is, differentiate both sides, 4 into 2 dx. 4 into, this 2 into 2, 4 into. So x square will be 2x. So with that 2 and this, it will become 4 dx. This is 2t dt. Now you have x dx. You have x dx. What will be x dx? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 x dx. X dx will be by 4, no? So 1 by 2 t dt. Now, this and this have been converted in terms of t. That will be 2t dt. Now what is this? It is root of t square. So it is t. T square it is. So half t cube by 3 plus c. So it is 1 by 6. What is t? 1 plus 2x square whole power half. So whole power 3 by 2 by 3 plus c. So it's 1 by 6. We get this. You differentiate this and see. 1 by 6. 3 by 2. Into differentiation of this will be 1 plus 2x square, 3 by 2 minus 1. That will be half. Followed by derivative of this. What is derivative of this? 4x. I hope you are getting it. Now, so all this over, okay? Next, problem 9, integrate 4x plus 2 into root of x square plus x plus 1 dx. Integrate this. What will be derivative of x square plus x? 2x plus 1. So put x square plus x plus 1 as t square. You can put t square, you can put t also. Differentiate both sides. 2x plus 1, 2x plus 1 dx is equal to 2t dt. But I have 4x plus 2. So multiply by 2. It is 4x plus 2 dx. I am multiplying by 2, no? So 4t dt. So what is 4x plus 2 dx? 4t dt. So it is 4t dt. And what is this? Root was there, no? So that will be again t. So it is 4t square. Now you integrate this 4t square. What will be that? 4 t cubed by 3 plus c. 4. What will be t? Root of. So it is x square plus x plus 1. Half, no? Half, no? So it will be 3 by 2 plus c. Got it? Next we go. This 3 here. If you want to differentiate this, 3 by 2. 3 by 2 followed by derivative of this. Now the last question. The last question. Integrate dx by x minus root x dx. Integrate dx. Take root x outside. Root x minus 1. Put root x minus 1 as t. Your substitution of t is important. And same substitution need not be there. So answer may change. Now differentiate this. What is this derivative? Half, no? So half. And root x will be here. Derivative of this will become 0 and it is dt. So now dx by root x. Dx by root x. 2 dt. 2 dt. What is this? Root x minus 1 t. So it will be log, no? So 2 log t plus c. But what is t? Log of root x minus 1 plus c. Differentiate it. 2 log, main is log. So 1 by root x minus 1 followed by derivative of root x minus 1 chain rule. It will be 1 by 2 root x. Oh, so this is exercise 7.2 from problem 1 to 10. You practice it in such a way that one time you practice all this, it should be registered in your mind, because same thing again and again you don't have time to practice. because we have to further walk with this chapter. So practice all this before we could meet in the next video. So have a very happy learning.